Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of the Serum platform, where we explore how to maximize your crypto earnings and trading potential. Serum is a decentralized exchange designed to deliver unparalleled speed and low fees while giving users the tools to manage liquidity efficiently. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, Serum is the go-to for anyone aiming to dive into the world of decentralized finance, DeFi. After accessing Serum, you'll find the intuitive dashboard that makes navigation effortless. You can monitor real-time market data, execute trades instantly, and manage your portfolio seamlessly. The platform's compatibility with various blockchains offers you the flexibility to trade a wide range of tokens without being tied to a single ecosystem. To start, connect your wallet by clicking on the Wallet Integration button, which supports popular options like MetaMask, Phantom, and others. Once connected, you'll have access to Serum's liquidity pools, allowing you to earn by contributing your assets. These pools offer competitive returns, and with Serum's transparent fee structure, you know exactly what to expect. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With Serum, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to one of the liquidity pools and start earning substantial rewards. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. The trading interface provides advanced tools like limit orders, market depth analysis, and instant transaction execution. Serum also introduces a unique staking mechanism that allows you to lock your Serum tokens for higher yields. Simply navigate to the staking tab, choose your preferred terms, and start earning up to 12% APR on your holdings. Serum's decentralized nature means your assets remain in your custody, giving you complete control. Every transaction is powered by the Solana blockchain, ensuring blazing fast performance and security. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Serum's features are tailored to meet your needs and help you grow your portfolio efficiently. Finally, don't miss out on the sign-up bonus and additional perks by using the exclusive link in the description, https://lnk.do/jquucoif. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and give this video a like for more in-depth tutorials and updates on crypto platforms like Serum.